my bro Yogi. Go ahead to him. Alright, so today we trying this new place. I don't know how new it is, but it's new to me. And they've been getting like little reviews and shit on Instagram. So it's called Nashville Hot Chicken Shack. So I got the macaroni and cheese, 2 of the medium sliders, and then I got the hottest sauce that they carry on one chicken tender. So I'm gonna see if I can take the heat. What you got?
Real cheese with chicken and macaroni and cheese with chicken. No hot. Plain.
Cause he pussy.
Fuck you. I don't eat hot food.
Where your food at?
In the back.
I ain't even gonna lie, this shit cheesy. Okay, I ain't gonna judge you from the lid. It's creamy though, look at it.
But why is this shit on myself?
Creamy as fuck. Woo! I ain't gonna lie. That's good. So I can only imagine what it tastes like with that chicken on top of it.
Find that now.
I ain't never had macaroni and cheese you can slurp.
That's it.
Yeah,
That's it.
the macaroni and cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm about to move into the sliders. Let me get one more bite of this.
Shit, I ain't moving to nothing. I'm gonna eat this shit.
Oh, yeah. Because I still got to eat some hot shit. This is the hot chicken tender. By itself, came with a pickle and some sauce. Woo. I'm going to say that for last. That's the last thing I'm going to try.
Y'all see how this? I'm fighting with the damn cheese.
Yeah, that shit, ooh, it good with it.
That's it.
Oh, damn, cut that music down. I don't want no copyright. Slider with the, what I said that sauce was called?
And they chicken, right. It ain't overcooked. Just right.
Let me try it without that. And this is the medium. Okay.
That medium got some pop. It kick.
Yeah, it got a little kick to it. And from Vegas from the medium, oh, I'm in trouble. I'm about to be in trouble.
That's why I go safe.
I don't remember what the sauce called that I ordered, but once I look back in there.
So on the scale, is the hotness overpowering the taste, or just?
Oh no.
Okay, so you still taste it. So basically, I eat the medium. I'm not gonna eat that 5.
The sauce that I got tastes like, I ain't gonna lie, it tastes like mayonnaise and $1,000 mixed together.
And by the way, the macaroni got a little kick to it too. So
You got like jalapenos in it?
And I like it.
Okay. I mean, I'm not impressed by the sauce, but I mean, I'm a dip it because it's not bad.
What's that sauce called again?
I don't know, I gotta look it up. Well, look on the receipt. Yeah, catch at the back of your throat. Okay.
I ain't gonna lie, for $12, it's good.
Yeah.
It's good.
I like. Oh yeah. So now I'm scared.
You scared now?
I'm scared. Let me get my ice ready. This It's the extra hot. Now, what possessed me to do this shit? I do it for y'all. So if I pass out in this bitch, just know I did that shit for y'all. I wish I didn't do it now because that medium kicking my ass. Ah!
The medium doing that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, I ain't eating the medium no more.
You couldn't take the medium out.
Yeah.
Damn, they sopped that bitch up in sauce. Okay, I'm gonna try bite it. We need something in there.
I'll try it. Bro, the grilled cheese got macaroni on it. What it look like it, or they dipped it in macaroni sauce or something.
Oh shit. What the fuck did I do to myself?
It's getting that out of
What you got to drink? Which one mine?
either one. Just grab one. Damn.
Oh.
Bro, that bitch smell hot. I can smell that shit. You know how you smell something that like it'll burn your nose? That shit. Is it good?
Yeah.
I'm surprised you can taste something.
I gotta finish. I just
Got it on
want
your cheek, bro.
I don't give a fuck if it.
He can't breathe. He can't breathe.
Doing the people. Oh!
Somebody, oh!
He needs some milk.
But it's good. It's like they hit the pepper under the goddamn pickles.
Ain't no more hiding that. You ain't got no more pickles. The grilled cheese, all right. It is cheesy, but
Oh shit. Don't.
maybe I should have got mild. Now the cheese is just overpowering the plain chicken. Right over there? Damn, he got in the car. I mean, get out the car.
I'm shaking.
Camera over. So what's your review on
talk.
I'm gonna sit over here and just eat my pussy food, like you say. Yeah, I don't like my mama. Pussy. What you got to say now, Claude?
And you were right. But we right here. Right here, right now.
Yeah, I remember my son.
We next. I mean, let's be real. We next. We on deck. That you like baseball, we on deck. On deck for what? For what? That upper room, nigga. The upper room with Jesus.
Bitch, I just rubbed that motherfucking chicken to the crossover.
Big ass bread, though. Yeah, they do got macaroni on them. You finna throw up? Let me know now so I can turn away. This motherfucker got me full too, though. I'm full of the motherfucker. He over there trying to catch his breath. Wipe my hands. So I put the camera on him.
Fuck you, bitch.
Show you what this hot challenge do to you. Don't worry about the drink.
That bitch go away and come back. They say milk's supposed to make it stop burning. This milking. Cut the camera off. Don't try them when they say extra, extra high. They mean that shit. My hand's shaking right now. I don't even know what to do with myself. Never again. I'm pussy. I'm done.
Alright, I'm taking that bun off.
Nah, eat the bun too.
Why?
Cause it got the sauce sopped up in it.
Oh.
You don't want to do that.
Oh,
You want to eat it all at one time.
I'm gonna favor this.
Okay.
got a little bite to it.
Okay. It's just gonna get worse and worse.
I ain't worried.
Okay.
Where you get this from, KFC?
No.
I'm about to say it's too good for KFC. Oh, this ain't nothing.
Okay.
Well, they ain't got some seasoning on it.
It's the seasoning.
Yeah. Mama Betty. Back up a little bit so we can see you. Okay. No water for 10 minutes.
Delicious.
Yeah, it is. That's why I wanted to finish
They
it.
don't have mom.
Oh, they have plain.
Ain't nothing but a little jalapeno powder.
Okay.
Look how
You said a little what?
Jalapeno powder.
Then you said what? Ooh. Lick your fingers, suck them.
Ain't nothing on
Yeah, it is.
Get a little hot
man, you should buy one for your dad.
I wanted to,
Man,
but I had already left.
What was that?
I want you to talk to him.
I heard a little bit.
Hey, boy, that was a big old tender, and that's all I had left. I couldn't finish it.
So what? It's a place where you supposed to? It's a check
Yeah, it's a challenge. It's an extra hot.
at the place.
Mm-hmm.
So what happened? You gotta do it.
No, I got it to go. I don't know if they put you on the wall if you eat it there, but.
In my ear. My ear hot.
How much you want to bet tomorrow? I almost died. You don't understand. You don't understand. It was in my
But wait, they get you because it tastes really good.
It's good. It ain't that bad, but it's a little bit of.
It ain't no punk.
You're right.
Imagine if you ate the whole one.
Hot.
Oh, it's only gonna get worse and your lips gonna start burning.
Oh no.
Ooh, I have a
See,
burn.
why would you want? You can't enjoy nothing like that.
I was doing.
They dripping wet.
You doing the same thing I was doing. I swear to God. I had looked at the camera and I said, ah! I just had to scream. I had to.
One of the videos.
Yes. Oh yeah, it's gonna get edited.